Y'all enjoyed y'all break from me? Got my boy, y'all remember him, my boy Jake, with his new W9, new stainless reefer. Looking good. Yes, simple. Got some plans for this thing. We was talking on the phone, so we had to make sure this link up happened. I ain't seen my brother in, it's been a minute. Been a little minute. What's going on? So I just dropped that video earlier, and then chilling at the truck stop, pulls in. You get to see it all lit up at night, all the way down. Look at that. I was sitting in the truck and I hear this thing just rolling through, sounding beastie as all can be. Back off of it a little bit. You get to see it all lit up. You roll through and it sounded good as ever. Nighttime video of it. Oh, he got his door open. He must be working on something. I don't know. Oh, they're in there. That's pretty. Get mine done. Oh yeah, we out here in the country today, middle of nowhere, Minnesota, but we got trucks everywhere. So, my buddy Chris, that's the one I'm in right now. We got big old bad Dub 9, oversized. And you got the other black one. I think I don't know if I put any video. I got a couple good videos of that truck there. I haven't put it out, but my favorite truck that's here is that black W9. I mean black W9. Jesus, black 379 back there. I'll get a good walk-up video of that one there. And this guy here, me and him met a while back. He's got a nice setup too. But there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's I think there might be 2 people inside the building already loading, and then me and him got parts load. So they're getting those big units there, and then we're gonna get a bunch of this crap, the exhaust pipe work. And then we're all going to a big job site in Indiana. So let's let this day begin. Let the fun. This truck. Driving that truck back. There's the other half of the trailer. I gotta back this onto that trailer, load it up, and take it down the road. Flat top. The damn Volvo behind the damn beat. This Detroit makes some noise. It's got a big tune on it too. Love the way this thing sounds. Hauling the Volvo. Nothing's wrong with the Volvo. Just had too many trucks in one place. We were doing something. But this thing barks like a dog. We'll start loading. Turn that off. Today's episode of What the Hell Am I Doing Next? This is a big ass trailer. This is a really big trailer. 3 damn axles. That's something new to me. I mean, that's what we're doing today. Makes me look long, but I ain't even that long. When I say for people, W9, I don't know if it can do the crazy stuff I've been doing lately. Doing today. Nice and tight all through there. A little bit of overhang never hurt nobody. That's what they're building over there. Ass mud everywhere. Glad I didn't watch this thing last night. Make sure I get my hard hat out. And my vest. Good thing I'll have to pull a couple chains. Should have pulled all my oversized stuff off. Oh well. Site looks like in the morning. All their machines and everything over here. I gotta watch it. The ground is soft on that side. Gotta watch those soft corners. Oh, I'm gonna be dirty. Look at that mud puddle. I'm cool. Jeez. This one's for Amazon. We do Amazon, Meta. What's the other one? We do another one too. Bitcoin. There's a couple different ones. This one is like nasty, dirty job sites. Look at that, more dang mud. Last time I had to turn left right here. This time I turned going straight. It's crazy how fast these job sites change. I had to turn it off for a second. It got really hairy. Wish I had my other camera, but this is how crazy it gets in these job sites. Now I gotta make a left turn. The right turn I just made was fun. Let's see if they'll let me make the left. I gotta get down that somehow. Oh, this is gonna be fun. All that funness down that street. Alright, let's see if we can swing this. Now, I went from that fun load inside to that compound to something very similar to this right here on my trailer over there inside this warehouse, trying to keep warm because it is freaking cold. And they got me going to 7 different locations to pick this stuff up, so I don't think I have enough securement with me to secure it down, but I guess we're just gonna make it work with everything we got. That's all we can do.
Big jump in the footage. So that's why we also see
My name's Jamie Greco. I'm history as well. Resellers in the 50s and 60s and 70s and all that.
quick stop at the Corvette Museum. Glad I did it. Some of these cars, you know, the new stuff coming out. Wow, that bad boy right here. Yeah.